Okay, hey guys, and welcome to Friday vlog slash sketching and everything. But first, I want to show you my 4th of July nails. They keep coming off, and I have to keep gluing them on. But I'm like, it's worth it. So, it's a safety feature. So I'm like, okay. But I have this fresh glue that will allow me to be a lot easier than the glue I was doing. So that's that. But today's video, I'm thinking of doing some sketches in my fashionary sketchbook. These are the sketches I've done last night. So I was having fun with those. So I did that, and I was basically having fun, you know, picking up. I try to pick up the sketchbook every now and then whenever I feel like doing fashion sketches. But I basically did these last night, so I've been having a lot of fun with them. I've been learning a lot with fashion sketches, like drawing legs and pencil and everything, and that's been really helpful. Instead of doing it in ink like I was doing before. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead. I don't know if I'm gonna film my process for this video or not. Probably not at the start, but maybe towards the end when I get to the next page. But this fashionary sketchbook has the body template for you guys, or the croquis I should say, already, so I don't have to sketch that out. So it's already on the go. I don't know what I'm going to be doing. I was thinking of doing gowns again, but I don't want to like repeat. So I'm not sure what I'm going to focus on today. And I have my unicorn pencil kit, so I'm going to grab some of my pencils if I can unzip. That's the thing with these nails, it's like hard to do stuff, but it's worth it. So I am unzipping my pencil case. Here is my pencil case here. If you want to see a video of what I have in my pencil case, let me know. And this is my favorite pencil I like to use. This is a Sumo Grip 0.9 lead. I love this lead and really great. Also, I am using 0.2 waterproof pen. So I'm using that for my favorite erasers. I am using the kneaded eraser that has been used very much, and I have to get a new one soon. But this is the eraser, and then my hard eraser as well. And then 0.4, I think this is the Geofen Fen pigment liner. I don't know, but I love these. These are waterproof, and yes, what I'm going to be using for these sketches. Again, I don't know what I'm going to be sketching, but welcome to the Friday vlog. It's Friday, finally. It's been a busy week, and I'm just now settling down and drawing. Yesterday I was drawing a ton, and it felt great. I've been drawing all week, and it felt great, and one of the first times I've been drawing throughout the week, because usually Tuesdays and Wednesdays are my art block days because they're my chore days, and I'm like, let's get drawing done. So I've been doing that, and I think I'm going to end at this part of the video here. If I'm filming the fashion sketches, I don't know. Maybe, I'm not sure, but we'll see. So if you like these nails, comment and flag down below and let me know. The flag emoji or something. I keep clapping, sorry guys. But this is the fashionary sketchbook I am using, and I wanted to point out Molly, my friend Art Flashes, on Instagram and on YouTube. She did these stickers for me. We sent packages a little while ago, and she sent me these stickers, so they're on my fashionary sketchbook. So thank you, Molly. Just want to point that out. And for the subscriber feature for this video will be at the end of the video, which is Molly, by the way, from Art Flashes and Art 1208, something like that on Instagram. But Molly, thank you for being a good friend, and you're a great artist. I know we all have doubts and everything, but she is a great artist, great friend. We talk every day, and yeah, so go check her out. And this is the intro for this vlog. If I will do fashion sketches, I don't know, but we'll see. It's gonna be a mismatch. I don't know if there's gonna be a drawing tutorial or whatnot, but we'll see how this vlog turns out. If you have any questions or anything like that, leave them down in the comments down below. Turn the notification bell on so you won't miss a single video. And guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the rest of the vlog of the weekend and everything. My friend, I have two Mollys in my life, so kind of get mixed up. My friend Molly is coming over on Sunday, and I'm trying to think if I might be going to Michael's, but I'm not sure yet. So this might be the vlog for that, but we'll see. So yeah, anyway, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. You guys know what to do. So let's get on with the video. Yeah, so I got up at 6:30 yesterday, and I guess I will throw myself under the bus because I got up at noon today. And that's unlike me, because I usually get up around 6:30, 8 o'clock, sometimes 9.
Yeah, that's a big window.
Depending on the day before, how busy I am. So I definitely slept in today. So
I'm gonna try to do that tomorrow.
I'm gonna try to get up early tomorrow, but at least I drew a little bit.
Excuse me.
At least I drew a little bit today. So, because normally when I see bed, I don't draw.
Okay.
And I was like, no, I want to draw today. And the funny thing is, I drew all week. Even on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, which are my art block days, they're my most busy days. Like chore-wise. So I was pretty excited that I was able to draw the whole week. What kind of car is that?
Yellow.
Yellow, okay.
I think it's a Mustang.
Ooh.
No, it's a Chevrolet, so it can't be a Mustang.
Oh. I was like, what kind of car is that?
It's very yellow. Very, very yellow.
So we're going to CVS and get groceries. And today is July 1st, my birthday month.
Oh, that's true.
Yes. So we're gonna celebrate the whole month.
Okay.
Like you do for your birthday.
That's right. Except nobody got me a present every single day.
True.
So my plan didn't work.
True. So we are... I'm trying to think what else we can talk about.
Well,
I tried to get a nap earlier, but that didn't work out.
Yeah, I tried taking a nap before I had to go, but I just really couldn't sleep.
So I couldn't sleep either. Okay, we're at CVS, so I'm going to end this part here.
There you go. All right.
Anybody else looking in?
All right, we're gonna turn around.
Oh, look at the puppies.
Yeah. Okay.
You haven't been on a treat ride forever.
Let Cece give you the treat.
Robbie give you the treat?
Okay. We'll do 3 rounds. How about that, Buzz?
3 rounds?
Oh my goodness. Okay, here we go. Now this is how we acclimated the pups to the stroller. We put them in the stroller and roll them around the house and intentionally bump into furniture to get them used to the bumpiness of the kind of surface. And now it is their safe place. And if it rains, we have a rain cover. This zips up. Amazon. And I think it was only $60. And I just bought it for a temporary till we get a better one. But that's been over, 10 years ago.
Oh my gosh.
And it's still going. Right, pups? So here we go. We're going to go around the loop. What's really funny is when we make Alice do this. Do the sound. Treat, treat! But that's not as important anymore because they can't hear anymore.
True.
But that's okay. Here we're coming around bend. Now when they go get groomed, they sit in their little stroller and they're all happy.
And here they come.
And Cece's going to give them each a treat. There's Ansel's. And now Greta will get one.
You might want to do it.
There you go. Okay. You ready to go for another round? All right, here we are. Here we go. Bumpity bump bump. We're going to bump into the wall. Bump. See, they don't mind. Not even a little bit. They're okay. Because all they're thinking about is a treat. Right, pups? There we go. Oh, here we go.
What another? Uh-oh.
Bumpity bump. There. We'll get you yours. All right, we'll go one more round, pups. You ready? Okay. Here we
I
go.
can see Ansel for the backside.
All right, pups. Here we are. Oh. We're going to go this way this time. How about that?
Oh.
Okay. Okay,
Look
there
at
you
his face.
go. All right, let's see if we can get them to hop out.
Okay.
Okay, let's see if they'll hop out. Let's see if they remember how. Whoops, I'm bumping everywhere. Hop ups. Okay, come on. There we go. Come on, Greta. There we are. Come on, Ansel.
Okay, I don't want to.
Come on. You know you can do it. There you go. Good boys and girls. That'll be fun for your neighbor.
guys, and welcome to today's vlog. So it's been a kind of a good weekend, really good weekend. It's July 4th weekend, tomorrow's July 4th, and I've done my nails, so I wanted to test that out, but show you. This one's more 4th July theme. Is that even a word? I'm here with my friend Molly, so you'll see her in a second. And we're just hanging out until I don't know when. But I just got my tarot cards here. I'm not going to be doing tarot readings on YouTube, but I just got my tarot cards in the mail today. So I'm really excited about that. And also, it's been a good weekend. So this is the 4th of July weekend vlog type video. So I thought I'd vlog a little bit with my friend. So yeah. Okay. This is Molly. You've seen her on the vlog before. We went to Crumble Cookie.
Yep.
We went to Crumble Cookie that weekend for Father's Day, so that was really fun. We went there, and then she's back again, so we're hanging out. We've been starting to do in-person visits because of coronavirus. So that's what we're doing now. We're just hanging out here. I'm on YouTube. I'm thinking about editing a video. So I'm thinking about doing that. I'm not sure though. So I don't know, but we're just hanging out. Here's my art room. Kind of messy, but okay. Okay, hey guys, I just wanted to give a quick shout out to my dear friend Molly on Instagram and on YouTube, Art Flashes. And she's an amazing friend and a great artist, and she does amazing work. I think you should go check her out. Molly, thank you for being a good friend and letting me to show you art. So go check her out on Instagram. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to both of our channels. And bye, guys.